Okay, YouTubers, the guy with the thick accent coming at you with the BMW X5 E70 chassis, 3 liters SI. I was about to do oil change and oil filter as well. And since I'm already on it, what I'm going to do before I do the oil change is just replace one of the solenoid sensors. I'm going to be doing the bottom one. So in order to access it, what I did is just I remove the bar that I have right there, which it supports the cable for the latch that is on the right hand side of the vehicle, left hand side if you're looking at it from the front, and that gives you access to the 2 bolts, the 10 millimeters bolts. One is down there. Okay, so with ratchet and a 10 millimeter socket, you should have access to it. This is the part number that I'm gonna be using, and I bought this at FCP Europe. Okay, so that's the bar that I was talking about that goes underneath some of these routings for the air conditioning. So you have two 13 millimeters right there and two 13 millimeters. This one goes underneath hose for the coolant. So you get this out, and then you're gonna have a much better access. And right now, just I put this solenoid sensor outside of the box. So probably what I'm gonna be doing is just lubricating this with a little bit of oil. You have right there an O-ring. And okay, so I'm gonna proceed right now to remove the old one. Okay, so for the connector, the only thing that you have to do is just press this, and then just when you have it pressed, pull out, and that should free it. Okay, so now I'm pulling this out. Hopefully you can make sense of it. Okay, so that's the old one. And that's the new one, as you can see. So that's what we're gonna be replacing. Okay, so one of the reasons why I want to do this before an oil change is because there is quite a bit of debris, at least in a $180,000 miles car. There is quite a bit of debris all around the perimeter. So I want to make sure that I clean up with brake cleaner before I start removing it, but always there is the chance that dirt comes in. And actually when I remove this one, you can see right there that there is some debris. So there is a chance that when I put the other one, some dirt comes in. So I want to make sure that I do the oil change after I put the valvetronic sensor. I drive it a little bit, and then hopefully the old oil filter catches any debris, and then when I do the oil change, everything goes away with it. Okay, so I was having trouble just getting the sensor actually to sit inside of the housing. So I think that the O-ring, even though I lubricated with a little bit of oil, it was precluding this thing just to go in. So what I did is just I put the bolt, the 10 millimeters bolt, on top, and then there was a gap, and then I started screwing it, and then I started just pushing at the same time, and then what it did is just that the bolt helps sit that sensor into the housing. So we are done right now with this inside. So the only thing that I have to do right now is just connect the sensor. I connect the sensor, and then that's done. Thank you.